Hello, today we will be unboxing the Retevis Walkie Talkies model RTC 22. There's the model numbers. Alright. Let me open the plastic wrap. And once you open the plastic wrap, there are 1 and 2 boxes. Put the plastic to the side. Alright, we will start with this box first. We'll move the other one to the side. You just pull up on the tab and lift straight up. So when you open this first box, you see the 6 walkie-talkie charger. Once again, this is a 6-pack of walkie-talkie. Pull that to the side, and there you go. There are the holders for the 6, and it will light red when it's charging and green when it's done. And you plug your adapter cord in that, and the on and off switch is there. It also comes with a cord for the charging base. We'll put that to the side. And here is our next box. This is our box that will have the walkie-talkies. So once again, this is the model RT22. So when you pull out this tray, there are 2 of these trays. It comes with 3 walkie-talkies and the 3 batteries. So this is what one walkie-talkie looks like. It's very light and compact. Can stand up straight, and this is with the belt clip on. To undo the belt clip, you press down and pull, slide off. To charge, you have to take your belt clip off. Once on the back, you undo the top and pop the back plate of the walkie-talkie off. Once you do that, take the rechargeable battery that is provided, my bad, and match this with where it connects in the walkie-talkie itself.
Power on, 16.
And it should prompt you with the power on. If it does not, just use the switch to turn it on. So that is the base of the walkie-talkie. So you get the 6 walkie-talkies and the 6 batteries. And then you also get an instruction manual on how to work the walkie-talkies and a basic summary of the walkie-talkies. I'm just going to give a little review about these walkie-talkies. These are very lightweight and compact walkie-talkies, which make it easy for the go. I would highly recommend these, and they work very well. To turn it on, use this power switch.
Power on. 610.
Once you turn it on, it will say power on, and then whatever channel it is on. To push to talk, you would hold this button down right here. Once you hold that down, there is a red light that comes on. That light will be green if someone is talking on the same channel and you are receiving signal from someone else's walkie-talkie. These are the plus and minus button. They do multiple features, but the main feature is minus is to go down channel, and plus is to go up a channel. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
once again there are 16 channels, and on this side there is an adapter to charge it. And if you have any accessory headset for the walkie-talkies, that goes here. That is the basics on the Retevis walkie-talkie. Once again, the model number is RT22. If you want to see how to work, in the future we will have a how to operate these walkie-talkies coming soon, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.